Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. I know we haven't done these social posts in a while, but I just want to update you on some of the stuff that's going on in the shop. So come on. So folks, I wanted to bring a couple of cars that we're doing, working on, getting things right. This is an 82 special edition, really cool. It's got a Crossfire motor in it, but it's got some electrical problems that I'm trying to get solved for the owner, which is something that we're working on right now. You know how I say we're working on so many projects? Well, there's one. The other thing we're working on, if you want to come over here, is our frame. We're finally putting our frame together for our 72 Resto Mod. We're going to get the frame done, and then we'll set the body back on the frame to do the body work. So the frame is in process. It's looking good. It's fantastic. Over here, I got a 77 Corvette that I'm putting the fuel pump on. Kind of out of my realm, but it's got to be done, so I'm doing it. Of course, we've got our 64 Resto Mod right here with an LS3 in it. I just finished fitting the hood. I got the fender fit, door, and now I'm working on the other side. If you come over here right quick, I'm starting to lay the harnesses in our 442, which is really cool. I got the rear harness in, now I'll start putting the harnesses through the car and work my way to the front. We got our 69 Malibu/Chevelle. We got it painted, we got to wet sand it and buff it out, get that ready. I've got my 64 Fuley still in the paint shop that I'm putting together. It's painted, it's buffed, it's ready to go, so I'm starting to put it together. So, if you got something, if you need something, if you want something, you know where to come, right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.